video ko. Obo. Bird. Ano, dudog susupo. Yeah? Jaden. Jaden, okay? Oh. Wow. Wow. Jaden. Jaden. Ano, your son na ni? Ne.
No, I leave them in my class.
Uwi. Today that is good weather. Ano, what the Hongtan do? Huy, Hongtan, what he doing? He over there already. You're Hongtan. Hongtan. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God. Jaden, you okay? What you doing? Clean? Yeah. Lakaw, wala po yung namog yun, eh? So, sige, ilan na to si Luis. What? Okay, I'm gonna help you in a bit. Try mo ko sa, yeah. Haha. Which one? Oh my goodness. Manang cooker na to. Dahil yan, naunsa nakadarang. Nahi mo na mag-cook yan. Hold hands. Hold hands. Sa mukha kayo. Di man mo hold hand. Custom, you like it? Saan nakadaraya? Alaka. Over there, they're getting water. Alaka, alaka. Honey, you look like so bundagol because your belly is... Okay, you don't want it anymore? So, thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my goodness. Halaka, nag-sunscreen na naman yan. Ready to swim na daw. Oh my goodness. Nilugan to. Yeah, magdula mo or mga ligo na ta. Oh, sige. Kuya said he need...
Wear the jacket, boy. It's so expensive.
Over here. You're being sarcastic.
Except in the theater.
thinking, how come we have to see Calgary again? And I know
How?
Silvan Lake.
Oh yes, that's
I was
right.
thinking, we can get out early, bring, we can either buy a tent,
Okay.
we can buy an umbrella,
Okay.
we can buy like a sort of like shade thing,
Okay.
and then just bring what we already have. We have already, we can go to the food, and just go early for the whole day there, and then go back home the same day. This is only an hour and a half.
It's really quick, babe, right?
A little bit longer than coming here.
True.
The other one, the kids thinking that you're recording me.
Really?
Yeah, I think he was looking back at you like, because you are following him with the, I know you're recording the bird,
Yes.
but it looks like you were following him with the camera.
Oh, with the slippers. Saan ka dara, Mariam?